Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. This is Plunkett speaking. No, it is really late. I just came home from work, so I'm really tired. As I can see in my eyes, they're tired. Now, as you can see from the description, this is a sensitive topic, so a little disclaimer before I go into the video. These are my opinions. Just like how you have your opinion, I have my opinion. A lot of people will agree with me, a lot of people would not agree with me, and a lot of people just don't care about these topics. No, the reason I'm talking about is because it's relevant to society and people can relate to it. So if you don't like my opinion, or if you don't agree with my opinion, I cannot help you. Point blank period. I cannot help you. If you don't agree with it, I can't help you. If you agree with it, then I can't help you. You just have to take what you can take from this video. But I'm just speaking about it because it is relevant and people have these debates in their house each and every day privately. It's just that a lot of people are afraid to talk about it out in the open or out in the public or on the social media or wherever it is. So let me jump into it with a disclaimer. No, Dwyane Wade has a son called Zaya. His son is 12 years old. No, he recently came out and had a couple of interviews stating that he and his son and family agreed that his son, biological son, don't feel comfortable in his skin or being comfortable as a boy, and that he wants to be now called Zaya or something like that. He now wants people to address his son by a new name, Zaya. And I guess people as in celebrities, people that are close to him, and also schoolmate. He's 12 years old, after all, he's still a child. No. The reason I'm talking about this is because he's a child, and my views on that, before I get into the views on that, Boozy came out and he made a video pertaining to the same topic, stating that he don't believe Dwyane Wade should cut off his son penis and, you know, transition from male into female. So Boozy was saying that he doesn't support that and he should just leave the son to be, you know, a guy, and when he gets older he should decide if he wants to transition over into a female. No, I supported what Boozy said. And the reason I supported what Boozy said is because a child is a child. Let's break it down, peeps. Just think about it. A 12-year-old, at age 12, yes, at age 12, what were you thinking about? Answer that for me. At age 12, I was thinking about playing. I was thinking about getting up each and every Saturday morning to watch cartoon on Cartoon Network. I was excited about watching cartoon. I was excited about playing. I was excited about just having fun, just being a kid. And that was it for me at the age of 12. I never knew about college. I wasn't focused on girlfriend. I wasn't focused on paying rent. I wasn't focused on working. I wasn't focused on buying groceries. I wasn't focused on hair care, skin care, allergies. There's nothing I was focused on more than playing, having fun with my friends, and cartoon. That was my focus at age 12. That was at 12-year-old, and that's the average 12-year-old. No, Dwyane Wade went on and said that his son knew that he wanted to be transgender from the age of 3 years old. 3, that's a baby. Let's break that down, people. A 3-year-old saying that they know that they wanted to be a boy or a girl, a 3-year-old. Peeps, let me be honest with you. If I tell you that I knew what I wanted to do when I was 3-year-old, I will be a liar. God come and take me. God forgive me. God come and take me if I tell you know what I wanted to do at 3-year-old. I can't remember. I can't remember being 3-year-old. I cannot remember being 3. Legit, I just can't. So to me, that is bullcrap. That is just a blatant lie. That is just stupid. How can a 3-year-old know that they don't want to be a boy at the age of 3? No, let's jump back to being 12. If it is true that they want to transition this child over from a boy into a girl, it is their choice. First and foremost, it's their choice. They can do what they want to do with a child. But where do we draw the line? So a lot of people say it is support. He's supporting his child. He said it himself. He's supporting his child. But when do we draw the line? And I'll give you some examples, right? His child wants to transition over into a female. He's a male and he wants to support that. He wants to be a father and he wants to support his child wishes. That child is 12 years old. They don't understand what they want to do right now. They have females and males that are in their 20s and they're very confused of what they want to do with their life. Confused about college, confused about relationship. They're still healing. They're still trying to find themselves. They're still trying to find an apartment. They're still trying to live this life. They're still trying to figure out stuff at age 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. Think about it, peeps. People mature, people grow, they learn, they learn by experience, they experience stuff, they try stuff and you learn. You know what I mean? You go out on your own, you put one foot there and you take the next foot and you carry yourself. Being at age 12, you don't really know what you want to do. You're not mature enough to decide on something big like that. And that's where I'm coming from. People are saying that, oh, he's transgender and he can commit suicide if you don't give him what he wants, or if you don't do this or you don't do that. So tell me now, let's flip it, let's reverse this. So if your child is 12 and your child decided, hey daddy, I want to be an ISIS fighter, no, are you going to support your child and let your child become an ISIS fighter? Tell me no. The answer is no. You're going to put down your foot and be like, no, you can't do that. You can't go kill yourself. You can't go change your life. That's a life-changing decision. So why then is transitioning over to be a female not a life-changing decision? You see the double standard? Let's go again. You have a 12-year-old child and your 12-year-old child come home and say, daddy, I don't want to go to school anymore. I don't want an education. You can go to jail for denying your child an education. You can be locked up for denying your child an education. Your child have a right to an education. But your child, you have all right to change your child gender. You have all right to change your child name. You have all the right in this world to change this person from how they were born into somebody. You get what I'm saying, people? The double standard. So my opinion on this is, one, it is wrong and you're not supporting your child. You think you're supporting your child. Supporting your child is allowing your child to grow into whatever they want to grow into. Allowing your child to breathe. Supporting them by giving them positive advice. Don't give in to what they want because they don't understand what they want at that age. A child is a child. A child will do childish things. They are confused most of the time and you have to make right decisions for them because you're the adult. They cannot make it themselves. A baby didn't born today and can feed himself tomorrow. It doesn't work like that. You have to nurture that child and care for that child and grow that child into the person you want them to grow. Fine. When Zion reach age 18 or 20 and he's an adult now, he can then decide to transition over into a female. No, that's fine. That's his decision. But saying that you support your child and you want your child to be a female is wrong to me. That's not supporting your child. So if you're going to support your child to be a transgender, you can support your child to drop out of school or go fight a war or go commit a crime. So if your child wants to be a murderer, you are now supporting your child to be a murderer. You see, the double standards. A lot of people mix up this thing and talk about support and this and that just because it's a sensitive topic and the LGBT community will come out and crucify you because you're against them. No, you're not against them, but you have moral and standards too that you stand up with and you stand up for. So that don't mean we should be led by the blind. That don't mean we should accept everything thrown at us. If it don't make sense, it just don't make sense. And this situation doesn't make sense and what they're doing is wrong. That's not how you support people. That's not how you support a child. You raise a child right, you support them in other ways, but you don't give in to those foolishness. Yes, I call it foolishness because it is foolishness. It doesn't make sense. So that's my view on it. I don't support it. I think he should leave Zion to let Zion be Zion and figure out whatever he's feeling, go through the ups and downs of being a guy and having female feelings or whatever it is. They don't even have to classify him as being gay, or I don't even know if the child is sexual at this point or whatever it is. He's just feeling and going off emotion and feeling a little girly, probably want to dress up and stuff like that. But to know moving to this drastic transformation of your child, a 12-year-old child, into a female, I think it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. We can't bother. Can't bother people. But anyway, this is JVLOGS. Leave your comment in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs down if you want to give it a thumbs down, because a lot of people might not like this. But anyway, give it a thumbs up. Click the notification bell for more videos. Subscribe and share for more. Thanks for watching. Now share your opinion down below. If you agree with me, agree with me. If you don't agree with me, so it be. But let's have a discussion about it. How do you feel about the topic? Remember to subscribe and share again. JVLOGS, Plunkett, I'm out.